40 kilometers away. Unatoka Thika.
Wacha hizo.
Unajileta Kileleshwa.
Si tumetubafea.
Ama unatoka Buru. Unajikuta
unajipata Kitengela. Mountain View.
A place you've never even been.
Shafi Bada.
See a stranger. Things don't work like that.
Okay.
So, I know you're both dating.
Hey.
The big Q.
Don't give Edgar news this morning. I'm not dating.
My point is this.
Yes. Tuko na Kamutu.
What do you think Kenyan Chiles, whether you are dating or not, are too available? Are they too loose? Are they too willing? Are they too desperate? And that's why they're getting themselves caught up in such situations?
Wow. DJ John Farmer, I'll let you take this one first. Nitakuacha wewe uende wa kwanza. Unasema aje?
There are two ways of looking at it. Hapa kuna maboy machizi. We have guys who are crazy.
Yes.
And me as a guy, siwezi taku check both sides.
Okay.
So what I will say is,
toa ushuhuda, toa testimony.
Ushuhuda yangu. Hapa kuna maboy machizi. We have guys who are crazy.
Yes.
And me as a guy, siwezi taku check both sides.
Okay.
So what I will say is,
toa ushuhuda, toa testimony.
Ushuhuda yangu.
Toa testimony.
Bro, kuna wale wako too available. Kuna wale bro,
you're a DJ, of course.
So there are two ways. Maybe the chick that I'm interested in, manze bro alinzungusha 6 months.
6 months.
And that's what women need to do.
Na bado unamfuata.
Lakini sasa yule mwenye utaki, yule mwenye utaki
6 seconds.
Yeye anakufuata.
Gone in 6.
So ladies, I want to talk to you about some very stupid behavior that is going on in this country, and men are suffering. Men all over there. I don't know whether it's in this country only, but men are suffering. This is what is happening, right? I mean, let's take, for example, a man asks you out for coffee. What else could be going on but coffee? That's just coffee, right? A man asks you out for a movie. That's just a movie. There's nothing that can go on in a movie hall unless you're a freak. But that's just a movie, right? Nothing else is going to go on. But this guy, he takes his time. He goes through his list of potential, people. And he calls you and tells you, can we go out of town? Let's assume he wants to take you to a place like, I don't know, just from the top of my head, a place like Nakuru, right? So he invites you to Nakuru. He's already in Nakuru. He tells you, please come to Nakuru, join me for the evening. And for the night, then we can, come back tomorrow. And what do? You say, yes, I'm coming to Nakuru. The guy sends you, let's say, like 2,000 bob. 2,000 bob to Nakuru. And it's only 300 using a matatu, Komolo line. Right? So you get into a matatu, you go all the way to Nakuru. Of course, you have to stop by Delamere, buy some yogurt, prepare, you know what I'm talking about? You get to Nakuru and pretend you don't know what this guy wanted. You start making, start looking at him like, what? What do you want? Is this what you wanted? You should have told me. What? I should have told you? When I sent you 2,000 bob, that was more than any other explanation I could have given. 2,000 bob means that you're coming to get Bomolewad. Then you come, you spend a night with a guy. You don't even allow him to put his hand around your shoulder. Really? Really? And you want us to be straight? How much more straighter can I be if I was to use that term? If you know a guy has invited you out of town, just know it's going down. There's no other story there. Don't go telling him, my piece came early. You do whatever you have to do. If your piece are there around, jump up and down until the Isha. But you have to give that guy something. That's all I'm saying.